Hello superstars, welcome kids to the Kiddies World, जहां learning होती है full on fun के साथ। आज हम लेकर आए हैं एक मजेदार और important grammar topic. Today we'll learn how to show that something belongs to someone. Just add s to a noun and it becomes a possessive. Let's begin our lesson. Let's read some simple sentences first. This toy belongs to Sohan. Steve has curly hair. My father has an amazing car. Emma has a pet cat who is very naughty. Now let's make them sound shorter and smarter by using S. Watch this. This is Nate's toy car. Steve's hair is curly. My father's car is amazing. This is Emma's pet cat who is very naughty. We just added S to show that something belongs to someone. Nate's toy, Steve's hair, father's car, Emma's cat. So kiddies, remember, add S to a noun to show it belongs to someone. These are called possessive nouns. Easy and fun, right? Activity time. Let's do this activity together. Can you help me spot possessives these sentences? Sentence 1. Bruce's pencil box got stolen. What's the possessive word? Yes, Bruce's. Sentence 2. Steve's car is black. You got it. Steve's. My mother's necklace is costly. That's right, mother's. Sentence 4. My father's shirt is made of silk. Smart guess, father's. Sentence 5. My cat's eyes are blue. You got it, cat's. Sentence 6. Peter's notebook is lying on the bed. You guessed it, Peter's. Great job, बच्चों। आज की learning journey थी full on fun. Like करना ना भूलो and subscribe करो Kiddies World को, जहां हर वीडियो में होती है learning और मस्ती। मिलते हैं next time एक और awesome topic के साथ। Bye bye बच्चों, सीखते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो।